Hey friends, I wanted to hop on to show you how easy it is to place an order with Young Living. So if you got a starter kit, you had either had your enroller sign you up for you, or maybe they sent you an email and you clicked on a link and you went through there. But you might have not have completely gone to the website, logged in to place an order. So that's what I'm here to show you. So if you go on, you can click on youngliving.com. You can also do youngliving.com/VO, but just make it simple, youngliving.com. From here, you click on United States, English, or whatever language you need to order in. We are all over the world, so we have every virtual office available. Your virtual office is basically where you go to order and where you go for all the things. Okay, so now we're here. Right at the top, it says sign in, become a member, live help. Live help is if you ever need any help with anything. Let's say you got something wrong on your order, or let's say your diffuser broke under a year and it has a warranty on that. You can go on live chat and they are amazing and wonderful help. You can also tell your enroller and they are happy to help you as well. So if you go to sign in, when you signed up for an account, you got a username. You picked your own username and your own password. You also picked a 4-digit PIN. Your 4-digit PIN is what you will need for your enroller if you ever need any help with anything. They can take your 4-digit PIN and you don't have to do a thing. All they need is your PIN and they got you handled. Okay, so from here, we're gonna put your username right here. And then your password is most likely has one capital letter and a number at the end. If you do not remember your username or your password, ask your enroller and they will help you out. So we're going to go ahead and log in. So there is 2 ways to order. Okay, guys, there is either a quick order or an essential rewards order. If you signed up for essential rewards, that is our monthly wellness program. And to change your essential rewards, we have a whole video on that. So I'm not going to waste your time there. If you just want to reorder one oil, or you want to try maybe some Thieves cleaner or some personal care products, you can scroll down, go over here to the left-hand side and click quick order. Another option is you can just go right up the top, start searching products, add to cart. But by clicking quick order, you're going to see this feature where you can browse all the things. Okay, you can also just type in what you need. Let's say I need some more Thieves because I went through that like crazy. All right. So here is all the things Thieves. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down. Let me find, I want a big one. So I want to find a 50 milliliter. I'm going to add product. When you add that product, it's going to pull up at the very bottom, and this is going to be your cart. All right, so let's say I want to try out some Valor because I keep hearing amazing things about Valor, right? So here there's a roll-on, which means it's already diluted. It's already got a roller top on there, super easy, ready to roll, all right? There's also just a regular 5 milliliter bottle. You know what? I want the roll-on. I don't want to have to dilute it. I don't want to have to worry about putting a roller top on. Just good to go. And that's all I want. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see that here is your total. Now I want you to see something here. Your total is 84. If you were to hop on Essential Rewards, that is a minimum of 50 PV. So you've already got it because you have 84. Each PV is around $1 value. 1 PV is usually equivalent to $1. So you have 84 here. And if you were to hop on Essential Rewards at a minimum of 50, you would actually get 5% back on this order into rewards. And you'd also get cheaper shipping. Keep that in mind. There's no pressure whatsoever because you can always cancel it next month. And if you got up to 100 PV, you'd actually get a free oil. So keep that in mind when you start reordering. If you notice your order is around a minimum of 50, reach out to your enroller and let them know that you don't want to miss out on something free or points or cheaper shipping, and they are happy to help you out. So then all you have to do is go to checkout. It will show you right here what to choose. Honestly, the best way is to do FedEx. Regular USPS shipping takes a very long time, and for an extra $1, it's more worth it just to do FedEx Ground. So I always do FedEx Ground. We also have an Amazon Prime shipping. It's kind of like an Amazon Prime shipping program that we just launched with our Essential Rewards program. So if you really want to take advantage of all the free shipping, all the goodies, just reach out to your enroller and they will help you out. So go to next, and there's your payment. This is your Essential Rewards part. If you were on Essential Rewards and you were earning points, this is where you could actually use your points here. I only have $4 because I've already used all my points last month. So this would be where you would use your Essential Rewards, but we're not worrying about that right now because this is just a quick order. And then you check out, and that is it, you guys. Then you have your order sent to you, and all is well in this world. So I hope you guys, I hope that was easy for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let us know.